619 Grace Point Lane. 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. Yoga studio, art studio, or an office. It's got power. 3-bay workshop with an unfinished 3-bedroom, 1, potentially 2-bath apartment upstairs. 3.5 acres located on Indian Creek, right off the Chesapeake Bay. 875 linear feet of waterfront on a point property. Entire property house has new hardy plank siding and roof, including the yoga studio and the boathouse. The Indian Creek Yacht and Country Club, an 18-hole golf course, indoor-outdoor tennis, pool, restaurant is right around the corner on the left. Chesapeake Boat Basin with fuel for your boats is right straight ahead. Protected 90-acre preserve is across the water from us, never to be developed. This is the boys' camp property again, right across from us. That's never to be developed. Again, Indian Creek. It's a point property. This is Pittman's Cove. Nice protected hurricane hole. Again, there's the boys' camp. Protected land. You can swim right off the shoreline. Property goes all the way down to the middle of the little estuary at the end there. Again, wraparound point. Very active in the summer with sailing, tubing, jet skiing, kayaking, and fishing and crabbing. We've had a lot of oyster roasts and crab feasts around that bonfire that's ready for a burn. This is one end of the property. Again, it takes up this whole shoreline and around the point past the boathouse. And then from the middle of this pond to the left of the tree line all the way up to the street. It's 3.5 acres. Pole barn, drive-in, solar electric garden, circle entrance, again the 3-bay workshop. Entrance into the house. With a new kitchen to the right. A new master suite to the left. 2 of the bedrooms with a bath upstairs with skylights. A 2-room master suite. Views from both sides. Walk-in cedar closet. And then you walk in from the master bedroom to an area with vanities. There's a sauna and a steam. Master bath, separate shower. Nice deep bathtub. Ports for windows with views everywhere. custom-made cabinetry. And again, you have your sauna and your steam room. Here's the entrance in. We have a wood stove fireplace here. This is where we watch television. Again, there are wraparound views. There's views from every single room in the entire house. A new addition to the house is a sunroom and a recent full renovation of a high-end kitchen. Wolf stove, new appliances, custom cabinetry, a custom-made mahogany bar with a wine cooler and sink. This mahogany came by boat from St. Croix by the owner of the house. Again, here's our sunroom, dining area with lots of room to expand for big dinner parties with great views. Again, you're right at the waterfront. And a soapstone fireplace, which really keeps you nice and warm in the wintertime. Gaming room, or it could be a library. Very open floor plan. Right off the kitchen is a pantry with a new washer and dryer and a sink. Also a bathroom. Right off the laundry room. Upstairs we have 2 bedrooms, which are 2-room suites. Nice skylights, really bright. You can see there's one room here, another room here. Nice and spacious. Again, everything's got a water view. Then you walk across the hall to another bedroom. Again, water views with a nice walk-in, very large closet changing area. A full bath, again with water views. Large storage space, attic, standing headroom, use spray foam for insulation. Here we go to the basement. We have a nice full basement with a wood stove, pool table, which we also convert to a ping pong table. A lot of fun times down here. Our kids lived here when they were young. Water heaters, new 700+ foot deep well just dug. My little workout room. Again, this room could just be finished off too. A garage off the game room. Freezer, refrigerator. And then we have another room above the garage. This is the view out the window of the bedroom that's above the garage that's attached to the house. There's a full bath. Can be used as a bedroom or as an office. Again, it's got nice views. Again, nice fire pit outside. The boathouse has been re-sided, new roof. It can accommodate a 60-foot, a 40-foot boat, 2 other smaller power boats, and there's a 26-foot boat in the boathouse. The water is 9 foot at low tide. We got a little bit of a squall coming in. Again, a really pretty setting.